We're touring a multi-million-dollar house right here in one of the most special neighborhoods in Las Vegas.
Today, come along with us to see what's inside. You're not going to want to miss this one. Dang, this door is big.
Jeez. But before we go in, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a video. Let's check this house out.
Yeah, well, let's check it out through this gigantic picture frame door. Pivots.
Look at this.
Which is really cool. This is actually a really nice upgrade to the house.
One of these doors, this is not a cheap door. This is like a $10,000 pivot door right here. What a way to make an entrance, huh?
The only thing that I sometimes think about is like, you can pretty much see everything that's going on in the house.
Right into it.
Door.
Do you put a shade on it, or?
Do you tint it? Do you do something, or you just let it rock?
I don't know. It's pretty crazy. I wonder how much heat comes in from that too.
Yeah, I can feel it right here, just standing here.
Yeah.
But being able to look through the entire house, I can see the lake from the front door.
Yeah, so walking in, pretty cool entryway. Obviously this home's been completely remodeled here in the recent months. I like the white on white.
I don't mind it. I think we need to explore a little bit and see what this home has to offer. Right now, I feel like we're right in the middle. As I walk in, I get an incredible view, which we're gonna take you to show you in just a minute. Seems like half the house is here, half the house is there. So where do you want to start?
Let's start in the kitchen. So the property that we're in is a $2.39 million house. It's almost 5,000 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms as well.
Yeah, so we just found ourselves in the kitchen. It looks like it's got some sort of double island sort of layout. Obviously upgraded.
Yeah. Something we like to do as much as possible. So, I definitely like the double island feature in the kitchen.
I actually think we've used this countertop before. It's actually something similar, but I really, really like it. It kind of looks like crystal almost.
It does. One thing I kind of wish though is it kind of spontaneously stops on either end. I would like to have seen it go all the way over, and possibly waterfall is such a cool feature.
Really impressive.
Yeah.
It also looks like we have a ton of storage in here. You're walking by all of these. You open that up. So pantry, storage. Very different from having normal cabinetry with lowers, countertop, uppers. This is sort of like, I don't know.
Right, there's actually, looking around the kitchen, there's no cabinets, no uppers throughout the entire kitchen here.
You get your pantries and that's pretty much it. You have lowers.
What kind of cabinets are these? Let's take a look. One thing I noticed for a home at 2.4 million is they are soft close cabinetry, but if you look inside of them, these look like almost IKEA type cabinets. That's kind of interesting for a home like this.
They may be, but honestly the appearance outside is pretty modern.
Right, is that Euro style, flat panel, high gloss cabinetry. Obviously fits this home and the theme of this home really well.
It seems like a huge home, big kitchen obviously for entertaining. You could have so many people around this island here, and it looks like all of these windows in the rear of the kitchen open up to serve from the kitchen out into the backyard.
Look at how cool these are. Industrial sized fridges too. You could hold a lot of beer in these things for a party.
I did notice that I'm sitting here now, how loud they are.
Yeah, you could hear them really well.
They're really humming.
It'd be very difficult to kind of relax on the couch over here or sit in the kitchen and have a full conversation with that because it is quite loud.
But cool nonetheless.
Yeah, the appliance package in this house is beautiful. We've actually used this exact range a couple times. It's a 48-inch Thor range, has dual oven on it as well. Really nice appliances throughout the house. You got the ice maker here as well, which is cool.
Makes that little sonic ice that everybody loves.
Nice and chewy, I love that.
So one of the things I loved about this kitchen is that you can see it's super open to the rest of the house.
Yeah, this is a wide open floor plan, which is something we always love.
Yeah, it goes right along with entertaining in that giant kitchen with the big island. Looks like you have set up living area here, maybe a more formal living area, and a whole nother living area. So this long room is pretty much however you decide. Set up and just enjoy the living room.
Yeah, and what I really love about this room is these two sliders here open up to the full patio. So it's almost like an indoor-outdoor, family setup or entertainment setup here, along with what I believe is a dual-sided gas fireplace, which is super cool.
Very cool that it's two-way. You can look outside.
Yeah.
I think the idea with the whole back of the house being on somewhere that is such a unique spot to be, which we'll show you in just a second, is they wanted to put as much glass and see-through as possible to see the view.
Yeah, and with all the natural light coming in, it's a very bright and airy space, so it does not feel confined by one bit.
Look at this, you even got a little wet bar over here. Nice live edge wood top. Just for serving them up, because this is such a hosting and entertaining type of house. I like that.
Yeah, let's go check out the dining space. So to get to the dining room, we actually have to walk through what seems to be the formal living room. And what's kind of cool about this, or interesting about this more so, is they have 3 TVs hung. So imagine Sunday game days here, or Monday Night Football here. This is gonna be fun to watch.
You know, now that I'm sitting down, I thought it was a little weird when I walked in the door,
Yeah.
because of where they were placed. But now that I'm sitting down, I get the best of both worlds. I get my view, and I get to still watch TV.
Yeah, I love this. Super cool.
Cool.
And the formal dining space here, once again, open to the rest of the house, which I like. Small confined rooms I don't think are really in right now. Fits a long linear table in here, so you could dine at least 10 to 12 people in this room. I like this.
It's nice. It's got its own little private patio and a pass-through right to the kitchen.
One thing I noticed when we first walked in on the other side of the house was this huge custom floating staircase. Let's go see what's upstairs. So going upstairs, we haven't found the primary bedroom of the house yet, so I'm guessing it's probably gonna be up here.
Seems like it. The only option is to walk through that one door right here, and once I'm in, there's a lot going on in here.
Can I ask you something? I want your opinion.
Is it the light?
Does the light fit the bedroom?
I think it's too
Guys,
big.
check this light out.
I think it's too big.
This huge primary bedroom, and that's the light we got in it. I think they missed the mark on that one, I'm not gonna lie.
That belongs in the powder bath. One thing I'm noticing in the room though, where the actual bed takes place, is there's a lot of closet space in here. So I'm wondering, does this bedroom not have closet space? Is that why they had to put it here? I don't really know, but there's definitely a lot of extra usable closet space inside the room.
And I would say it could be possibly just for staging purposes, but I'm looking at the baseboards here, and the baseboards actually stop at the closets, which leads me to believe they're meant to be here for permanent. These are throughout the entire house. I'm not sure why they have a fixation with the stained glass closets, but there's a lot of them, so.
Yeah, very, very big fans of the frosted glass.
Yeah.
And this is more or less like a library ladder, I guess.
Looking at this room, I mean, it's still a really cool space. This is an older vintage style home in an older neighborhood of town. This neighborhood is being completely redeveloped though. There are a lot of flips going on in here, or renovated homes being sold in here. So what this home has, this area does call for. It is not out of the ordinary for this neighborhood.
No. So I'm thinking in the room with all of this frosted glass that we're gonna see a lot of that in the master bathroom as well. So let's see what we find.
Let's check it out.
Just as I thought.
Boom, frosted glass.
But what do you get in there?
A very small washer and dryer.
Convenient though, to have it in your own room.
Yeah, so what's interesting, and we kind of mentioned it out here, is there more closet space in this room? And there is. And it's not a small closet, this is a big walk-in closet, so I'm wondering why there's so much of it in this room, kind of odd. So another cool thing, I've never seen one of these in a property. We've seen these at some showrooms that we've been to. It's actually a step-in shower sauna combo, which it's pretty sweet
so
though.
It's divided right in the center here?
Yeah, there's glass in between.
But it looks like it's all one unit, so you kind of get like 2 in 1.
Yeah, this is not bad. Ooh, a little rickety. So one of the secrets of this house, and what we've been talking about and waiting to show you guys, is this neighborhood has 5 lakes in it, and it's called the Lakes here in Las Vegas. And these lakes, you sit right on the water, and you can actually have a boat on them. So let's go out on the balcony and check out the lake.
There's that view.
Yeah, this is why this home's worth $2.4 million, right here.
As you can see, it's actually situated pretty nicely. There's homes surrounding this entire lake area, but a lot of them look directly across at their neighbors. So this being on one of the fingers of the lake, you kind of look down the water and you don't have that intrusive neighbor staring right at you.
Yeah, how cool is it? It's 110 degrees in Las Vegas right now, and you could live on a lake.
So not only can you see this all from your bedroom and your bathroom to the incredible view, but even if you're so inclined, you can hop out here in your outdoor shower, scrub up while you're looking at the lake.
Hey, that one's tall enough for you too.
This one just fits.
Incredible. So we've seen one bedroom of the house so far. I have no idea where the other 4 are. Let's go look for them.
Yeah. The master bedroom and go try to find those other bedrooms, because I know there's 4 more in this house right here.
What is this? Wait, guys, before we leave this bedroom. Oh, look at this.
Oh,
Secret closet.
Secret door.
Look at this.
This looks like a very unassuming window. Open it, and it looks like this is actually one of the original rooms in the house before they did any renovations. Obviously a little bit dated with the wood trim.
Kind of old school gangster style. I like this. I don't know, but this is a hell of an office.
Office, cigar lounge.
Man cave. Love it.
So now that we're out of the master, it looks like a majority of the bedrooms are on this side of the house. I'm seeing one right here. I'm hoping they all have their own bathrooms too. Which a house this size, they probably should.
One thing I like about this house is it feels like you're kind of in a high-end hotel.
Yeah.
All the way throughout, from the vanities to the showers to the bathrooms and the floors. I just, in every bedroom and bathroom, I feel like I'm in a high-class hotel.
I mean, even look at this, like, this is Jack and Jill bathroom right here. Come on here, look at this. This shower system that they put in is obviously way upgraded for just a Jack and Jill bathroom.
Yeah. Yeah, look, another vanity. Guys, come check out this bathroom.
He's escaped to somewhere, not in there.
You know where to find me.
I think he's in there.
You wouldn't believe the size of this toilet. Look at this toilet that I'm sitting on. They actually installed this in the house. Unbelievable. Check it out. I've never seen a toilet that small in my life, to be honest. But I love it.
So now that we're outside, we're going to take a look at all the upgrades that you can find in the backyard here. Starting with this pretty centered, really large spa.
Right in the middle of the patio.
Yeah.
Pretty cool. And it's a huge patio as well. So
A lot of covered area.
Once again, this is clearly a house built completely for entertainment purposes. There's so much cool things about it. Let's go out the gate and check it out.
So to the pool deck, pretty good sized pool. Nothing overly too impressive, but manageable and nice.
I just love how it's centered in the house. It's centered in the view of the property. You got a cold turf area here to lay out on and play on. You got a little putting green over there as well, which they did. That's cool.
Yeah.
But let's go down to the dock.
Yeah.
Let's go check it out. Let's just show it to you.
All right.
All right, so the main feature of the house and what makes this neighborhood and this property so special is you have your very own dock.
I've been waiting to get down here to see this. This is so cool being able to step right outside your back door, only a few steps away. I'm on a dock in the middle of a desert in Las Vegas. Not only can I go out on a boat, go out on a kayak, take a little paddle boat. Look at this down here. I can sit here all day with a fishing rod and catch fish.
You can. There's a lot of fish right now too. Look at them all.
This is so cool.
Oh, there's some big ones too.
Yeah.
So the cool thing about this is all the boats on the lake, they are electric boats.
Yep.
So there's no pollution to the lake or anything like that. And what's really cool about this is all the neighbors get together and have like social happy hours with their boats on the lake in the evenings. That's such a fun thing to do.
Sounds like if you show up here around 5 o'clock, you can catch them all on a booze cruise
Yeah.
through the lake, which sounds pretty nice.
Parading through the neighborhood. So really special house. If you want to live in Las Vegas on a lake, this is the place to be.
It's about 5 o'clock right now, so I think it's time for us to go join the neighbors and hop in on that booze cruise. We've been invited, so I'm not going to turn them down.
Right, we have to do it. If you have any questions about living in Las Vegas, make sure to drop a comment below. We're happy to answer them for you.
Until then,
We'll see you on the flip side.
get in this boat.